but at least we'll have a good picture of this. I'll send you the notes too.
Okay.
Now let's see. Are you sure you want to quit? What am I quitting? Yes, I don't need it right now. That was my calculator trying to get attention, I guess.
Okay.
So used to my dog and cat trying to get attention. Okay, now this is the end of the first step. We've taken x plus h and put it in for every x.
Okay.
And then we had to calculate it. Now, what we have to do next is, now that we know this, that this is f of x plus h, we're going to find the numerator of this fraction, which is f of x plus h minus f of x. Because we already know what f of x is, we don't need to find that again.
Okay.
So f of x plus h minus f of x is going to be, I need to write that smaller so I'll have more room. So I'm going to have to erase. Okay, so f of x plus h minus f of x. F of x plus h, we just found out is that thing.
Right.
2x squared plus 4hx plus 2h squared plus 10x plus 10h plus 3 minus parentheses 2x squared plus 10x plus 3. All right, that's my next line. The beginning of step 2.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to copy this down again. 2x squared plus 4hx plus 2h squared plus 10x plus 10h plus 3. Now, I'm going to distribute that minus sign in here and in here and in here. So I'll have minus 2x squared minus 10x minus 3.
Okay.
And the goal is to combine like terms here. That'll help us get rid of some terms, because we're going to have 2x squared minus 2x squared. So they'll equal 0. And I'll have 10x minus 10x. That's 0. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So what I'm left with is this term, 4hx, and this term plus 2h squared, and this term plus 10h. And that's what f of x minus, f of x plus h minus f of x equals.
Okay.
See, so it ends up not being so bad.
Right. Once. Okay, go ahead.
I'm sorry. Okay, one more step, finally. The difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Well, we already know what f of x plus h minus f of x is. It's that. But we're going to divide each term by h. So we'll have 4hx plus 2h squared plus 10h divided by h divided by h divided by h.
Oh, all of them. Okay.
Right, because really what you've got is 4hx plus 2h squared plus 10h divided by h. But then something that you would have learned a while ago is the way that you divide polynomials.
Yes.
Is what? Where's my eraser? Do I need my eraser? No, I need a pen though. Yeah, the way that you do this kind of problem is, since there are 3 terms up here and only 1 term down there, what you do is you break it apart into 3 fractions. 4hx over h plus 2h squared, I'm going to say h times h, that is h squared. There's a reason. Plus 10h over h. And now h's are going to cancel out in each one of these terms. There, there, and there. So your final answer is that f of x plus h minus f of x over h equals 4x plus 2h plus 10.
Okay. Okay.
In the sciences, h is the amount of error in your measurement, so you have to keep it. And 4x plus 10 is the formula that gives you the rate of change for any x that's involved in that system.
Okay. I'll catch on. It'll come to me. Okay.
Well, it's not something you're going to get overnight. Nobody does.
Just a lot of practice.
Yes.
And on the test, are you wanting to see the step all the way through?
Yes.
Okay.
Because that prevents you from making terrible mistakes.
Okay.
If you go in a very orderly fashion.
All right. I will continue to study this.
Absolutely.
Okay, and that was it for me.
Well, that's great.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I like your hair.
Oh, you noticed the difference.
Yeah. What did you
I
do?
just showered and didn't do anything to it, but thank you.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna take a shower today and it was like, oh my goodness, I hit the ground running and, hit the floor running, and it's been running 20 miles, 200 miles an hour.
Wow. And so are you doing, you're teaching
Yes.
high school as well, right?
No. I'm totally college.
Okay. Okay. So you're at your laptop all day then.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You're like me. I'm working full time. I'm with the prosecutor's office and I'm at my laptop all day. And then I have to on certain days I have to hurry up and catch you because I have my my writing and English class that starts at 6.
That's right.
So, and as I'm
And
looking at
it's not good for you, I mean, my feet swell when I sit for a long time.
yeah, yeah, you're absolutely right. It's not my eyes, it's not good. It's not
Yeah, it
good.
feels,
I want the classroom time. I like that interaction coming into the classroom. Me being an older woman, I enjoy seeing the younger minds. It inspires me. So hopefully we'll get back to it.
well, someday, but I think it's all going to be very different after this experience. Because
You
this
think? You think we're
experience has been a trauma.
Yes,
Oh, and everything is always different after a trauma.
that's true. That's true. So change is always I guess a challenge, but it's good.
It can be good.
Yeah. My hope is that it will be a good change. I don't you think that the colleges will shut down and will do all live streaming going forward? That would be like maybe somewhere in the future. That's
I
what we will do that.
I don't know. I know I like live streaming. I like it like this. Mostly because I like not having to get in my car and drive somewhere and then get in my car and come home, because it's so much wasted time to drive from one place to another.
Yeah, that in between time. I I feel more comfortable. I like the classroom experience, but I feel more comfortable because I don't feel as intimidated with the live stream. In the classroom, when you have everyone participating and answering questions and you feel like, you're not catching it, maybe you don't belong here. So this is less intimidating for me.
Good.
It's me
Well,
challenging myself.
I
Yeah.
hope it'll be a blessing for you then. For
Yes.
you and for me.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Until Saturday. Thank you so much, Miss Barbara.
Yes, indeed. You are always a bright a bright ray of sunshine coming in when you come visit.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Talk soon.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.